Good morning, NAIJA show. We did here, and yes, our next conversation done ready. We don't, as you just see down, we don't give a small intro of our guest we did with us this morning. The one and only comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and MOP. They here with us, looking very calm. Forget to say they just the form saying they humble in they calm. We not say not be like this. You be normal.
Oh, I
don't think they're curious to know what's the meaning of MOP,
MOP
and why you choose the name MOP as your name.
Okay, MOP means mouth of the people.
Oh,
it sounds like a political party movement. I'm the mouth of the people.
Now just now, it can't be like say they blend. Now name where my classmates give me from secondary school days. You know, those times why they always disturb class. For secondary school Port Harcourt, you know. When they crack brain on how to do assignment and how to, wait for the next class when they come. Me, they crack brain on how to make them laugh.
So you be the constitute nuisance?
Yes, that time. But now
time.
The nuisance don't make sense.
Don't they make sense?
And all of them is support.
Okay, so we want to talk about, for this industry with the entertainment, whether music or drama or acting or comedy. I am aka Mamado. It ain't necessary. I be not just grace and talent. Now, if you just carry you to you blue. Now, what we want to talk about today. We go use you as a point of contact. E.g., for example, how it take be when you start comedy?
Really easy. Every part of or every struggle in life gets ladder where they take go up, and those ladder now no be spirits, now human being. You understand? Now human being God go position for your way will take you to the next level. But the most important thing we did there as for the entertainment field, because entertainment has to do with talent. You understand? Now, originality. Now, if you get the talent, many people did entertainment circle we get them find another thing come. Some cameraman before, but they don't to see the movie where they go on. They just one day for front of the camera.
You
understand? They can't come there and they can't do two different things altogether. You know, both for the comedy side, the music and all. If you don't get them, you go hard. No matter the ladder, only they put 4 ladder for you. Never when if you climb.
So you talk even with mentor. If you not get the inborn skill and
it goes slow.
You know go work.
That your mentor go try, he go do his best based on how he take love you, or how he take believe you. You go try. If you not get them, it go slow, you go hard because entertainment now it be like reflex action, especially for the comedy industry. If you carry your girlfriend or your junior brother go event and you know funny, you know feel laugh. You know go feel laugh because of say you being senior brother. The laughter must come original.
It must be natural, yeah.
For musicians, them, your brother if you just stand up, they ginger, make it be say they give you ginger. But in the midst of 50 people, only one person stand. Only you go no say
it's not really
just family business. You understand me?
Yeah. But you know say you get some kind of artists now for the industry. We don't talk say they come out say nobody help them. Now then grow themselves. Self-made. Now me put everything by myself. Now I don't reach you a day today. And at least one of them, we don't they talk this thing, don't get Grammy for Nigeria. I don't collect Grammy. Now Burna Boy they talk about me, no be like say I can close mouth. But Burna Boy talk say him push himself up by himself, him put in the work, he achieve what he achieve by himself. Say nobody he talk say now them bring him to this level of success where you don't reach. How you take see this one?
Now it's still possible. It's possible. The percentage they low. It still boils down to what I'm saying about talent. Maybe he own over. So it took him more time to do it alone. But consistently he reached there. But with those mentorship, with those bosses, plus the talent, it go speed them up.
So in other words, we need a bit of Imamadu to move forward for inside the industry.
It is. I won't say it is necessary. It is good if you have talent. Not two-way something. Because if you don't get, if you even they bring that man down, they try carry you up.
Okay, so you as a comedian, when you start, and then who be the people who don't help you climb the ladder to where you don't reach now?
Yeah, this question of when you start. Okay, professionally, when I begin make money from comedy, I would say 2015. Yeah. And at the year where I began climb big stage, renowned comedy stage. Now, AY Life be the first stage where I climbed for Port Harcourt. AY Life Port Harcourt in 2015. One of my colleague, he'd be like a senior colleague to me. Now, my friend, now he make him possible. So that day, you know, when big shows come to Port Harcourt, because I'm a Port Harcourt boy.
Okay.
At 2017, I moved.
They hear your pidgin. They like our pidgin.
So push the career forward.
Port Harcourt people.
So I Port Harcourt boy, we school for where we come pursue career for Lagos.
Lie.
So then for Port Harcourt, they follow that guy move around for big shows because they don't know him. You know, he named an advisor comedian. You know, so most times when they bring all those big shows, they want attached with them. You know, you need to this mentorship we talk about. If you know be the person say where they learn from, if you don't know you. It's possible sometimes because of social media.
Yeah,
if you just follow the person,
they
check in dressing, they check how they talk, they check how they respond to things, how they take crack joke, you know, and you go to build yourself with that. So I dey like the circle when those people who I won't be like the day. So those big shows when they come to Port Harcourt, a big deal for me. I don't mind to save money, buy tickets, enter, make I watch them, or make I go backstage, my day with them, see how they
observe. You
know, so this guy they make them possible for me. So on that fateful day, we just did backstage. I no plan to perform for that show because I don't believe so I go climb that stage. You know, so AY brother Larry Marco event. Can't tell him, can't tell the advisor, say, now you know Port Harcourt boys, all this upcoming, because definitely most comedy shows, some upcoming comedians need to be on stage.
For the area, I heard people get
before the main big fish then go come, you know. So you can say the guys they crowd them and you don't know who and who they good enough to climb the stage. So he put them for the advisor hand. So that's what my guy turned to me, tell me, so boy, don't build.
You go
do one. I've never been that scared in my life.
Goodness, butterfly everywhere.
And big stage. And you know how it is with our Nigerian, some of our Nigerian shows. The big people, like people who buy table, they know they come early. And then the regular and the VIP, sometimes, depending on the holiday, they far from you. So it takes an extra energy. And you know, be known comedian. Where if they announce, people go say, wow. They go just announce you, people go to press their phone. Some they go outside, go carry their guy. Where they don't have buy tickets, you know? They don't really send you. So you need an extra effort on that stage to gather people's attention to you. You know, so you need it easy for that first stage. So that was how I got on that stage. I do my thing. I remember I just 3 people inside the whole table, about 30 tables and said, only 3 people a day.
Wow.
You know? So, and you know how stage this thing they do. Sometimes the lights, then they off them. So then they put the attention on the stage. So you know they won't see anybody.
Who they
like so no direct communication to people where they even.
It be like those times where they perform during pandemic, where they do live video.
In their house.
You just do for front of your phone, they crack joke, you don't know who they hear. And sometimes network video cut to the punchline.
You didn't go concert.
So when the thing come clear, they say, what is this guy
what
saying?
What did he say?
You for your own end, because I don't kill them.
Hey.
So it just be that day, I just do come out and come on. That was how it started.
So from there now?
Yes, from there. Each time we then come that AY Life for Port Harcourt, that Larry Marco, they ask of me. You know, so from there, 2017, after they do Port Harcourt, I say I did go Lagos. Okay, then it was Akporo vs. Akporo in 2017. You do one for June. So as you do the June edition, the next month was Lagos edition. So the advisor say, Alpha,
you run them now.
I say, you go fit make me perform for Lagos. I no go pay transport from here, go Lagos. I need to show my people evidence.
Yes, sir.
Now I say, do one. I went a boss.
Okay. People. Well. I believe say when I don't see the kind things where MOP they do. So MOP, I would just like ask this question because we talk about people who go fit mentor you or show you way and all that. But you get some instances where some people they talk say some mentors or people where they show them way, they dictate their style of performance too, and they affect. Maybe they tell them say this style way they do, you know go work. Maybe we try another style, and they lose their originality.
Yeah.
You feel say that kind of thing. You ever experience that kind of thing, or how you take see
am? I no experience that kind of thing. No be everybody will sabi teach.
That one self day.
Yeah, no be everybody will sabi. Even during school days, you know, say you get some classmates maybe saying a distinction, then they tear. They carry best in 5 subjects, but they no go fit teach. You understand? So mentorship now something where you go know the right person way. First of all, now you supposed to choose your mentor. So when you enter the wrong hands, you do yourself more harm. You go find who get your kind of style. When I started comedy, now Bovi I look, now even my idol.
Okay.
Bovi and Basketman.